INTZ or Z stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I'm observing Intrusion stock and I'm very intrigued, right? 380% increase in price is just absolutely crazy. But it's also not something that I have not seen before. I have done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've spent thousands of dollars on course and mentorships. And I've documented everything, by the way, like everything is on my YouTube channel. You can see how much videos I've seen. Most of the time, although it has gone up 380%, this just plummets the next couple of days or even weeks. So what's next here? I mean, I'm very cautionary. Like I will not just like randomly start buying. Like that's why I marked up these lows. And that's because if I see a double break, then you know that the destiny for me is going to be a proper short. But here, like it's also like not a cool range to buy. So I would really need to see more candles up here. I mean, you might be like, but you're going to miss it out if it potentially goes up. I mean, who cares? Who cares if I'm just not sticking to my edge, right? Yeah, so that's my opinion. If you want to make more money trading in a simple only way, stay tuned. It's a free newsletter. I mean, check the first link in the description.